In this 2-minute video, we'll take you on a journey to explore the origin of black pepper, uncover its remarkable health benefits, and provide you with valuable tips on how to make the most of this essential spice. Our journey begins on the lush spice plantations of India, the birthplace of black pepper. Native to the Western Ghats, black pepper, scientifically known as Piper nigrum, has a history dating back over 2,000 years. The production of black pepper involves meticulous harvesting, where the unripe green berries are picked and sun-dried to create the peppercorns we know and love. Now let's delve into the incredible health benefits of black pepper, the unsung hero of spices. Black pepper is a digestive dynamo. It stimulates the release of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion. Black pepper's active compound, piperine, has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which may reduce inflammation in the body. Piperine in black pepper enhances nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most out of the food you eat. Black pepper contains antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals, safeguarding your health. Piperine can rev up your metabolism, assisting in weight management and fat reduction. Now let's explore tips on how to make the most of black pepper in your daily life. Tip 1. Spice up your meals. Use freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavor of your dishes and give them a delightful kick. Tip 2. Turmeric and black pepper combo. Combine black pepper with turmeric for better absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Tip 3. Pepper-infused oils. Make your own pepper-infused oils for a burst of flavor in your recipes. Tip 4. Freshly ground versus pre-ground. Opt for freshly ground black pepper for the best flavor and aroma. In conclusion, black pepper, the king of spices, offers not just a burst of flavor but a multitude of health benefits. Incorporate black pepper into your daily culinary adventures and watch it elevate your dishes and promote your well-being. So sprinkle it with abandon and savor the magic. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through the world of black pepper. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Keep savoring the spice of life. Thanks for watching. In this